How to log into my H&R Block account. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser. Now in the search box, type in H&R Block and then search for it. Navigate to this one website, www.hrblock.com. You will be directed to the official website of it. Once you're over here, click on this icon. You will be directed to the login page. Now go ahead and type in the username, email, or the mobile number. After you type in, click on Continue. Now type in your password. Or also you can use your email address or the phone number to log in by using the one-time security code. Once you are done, click on Sign In, and just with that you will be logged into your H&R Block account. So this is how you can easily log into your H&R Block account. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.